Alright, Scrap Life's back to cut up another truck. We're just heading down now to have a look where this truck is. And it's a 5-ton truck, so we're going to have to either drag it up the ramps or cut it up with the Oxy. Alright, let's do this. Yo! Alright, check it out. This thing's ancient. This old bloke, he's lived here for 78 years, his whole life. He's had this truck about 30 years, 40 years he said. Alright, we're nearly cut through it, so we're just cutting the last bit now. Going to put some chocks underneath just to make sure it's not going to drop on me. So let's do it. But look at this place out here, man. Isn't it beautiful? Alright, half the truck's on. Just got the cab to lift on now. But yeah, got the whole way out there. We did it, another truck, cut it in half and lifted on, so it's about 5 ton that truck, so a pretty good load. But anyway, the old Bedford, we're off to the scrapyard now, and we'll check it out when we unload it. Good job. Look at it out here, it's beautiful out here. Alrighty, you'll see me on the next one. Yeah, good load, scrappy boys. Nothing can with us, Jay. We do the jobs everyone else can't do, don't we, Jay?